Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be explaining how to scalp or crash 500, how to take trades on it easily and having a calculated risk, not having a fear of losing your account. So I'm going to backtest this strategy and I'm going to see how it works out. But one of the first thing I will tell you guys is before you use this strategy on crash 500, make sure you analyze the trend. Make sure you know how to determine if you are in a downtrend or you're in an uptrend. It is very, very, very important. So you must make sure you're in a downtrend before you trade this strategy, or you're in a side trade, because anytime when in an uptrend, sometimes it plays out and sometimes it doesn't play out. So the success rate on in an uptrend market is very, very low. Why is that? Because we are only targeting the spikes, we are only targeting the sales on crash 500. And the reason why I don't consider taking the buy trades, the strategy also works for buy trades, but anytime we have a trade goes against us, don't forget that the spikes don't respect stop losses, so you will be losing uh, so an amount that we don't even imagine. So that means we are trading with an uncalculated risk, which is not reasonable. So which will also affect our output at the end of the day. All right, so I'm going to backtest this. So anytime we have a crash, so what you just do is this. Let's start. I'm starting from 1st of January. Anytime we have a crash, so you draw your, you bring out your tool. You can use the rectangle tool. So you pull it up there. So now I'm waiting for price to come back to respect the point, which always look like something like an order block. So we're using 5 minutes TF for this. You can see price failed to retest this point, and we had another crash at this point. We had another one here. So what I consider is my risk to reward ratio on each trade with the lowest lot size. I don't want to lose more than 1.5% for 0.01 or 3 dollars on 0.20, and $3 is 15 points. It's 15 points. So that means my stop loss is always 15 points. That means on each trade I don't want to lose more than 15 points, and my take profit must also be 30 or above. That means I'm trading with 1:2 or 1:3 above. I can't take any trade that is lower than 1:2. So now let's check this trade. 30, not up to 30. So I'm not going to take this trade because it is not up to 1:2. So we have another opportunity here. We had another opportunity here, but price failed to retest it. But we had another one here, but we can see price came just into it. So now let's check this. Let's check the ratio. You can see this is all the way down to 43 pips, and we're just risking 15 pips. So this was a very good trade if it was taken. So that means this was a very profitable trade. That is one. So we have another opportunity here, but price didn't come into it. Then we had another one here. Price came in just into it, and this is another good trade because it is all the way down to 41 pips. You can see. So this works very well on downtrend. It works very well on downtrend. It works very well. We can see we have cases where price mitigates all this level. Even if it was this you choose. Let's check this. Let's check this out. 15 pips. Don't forget 15 pips. 15. I think let's say it's almost kicked us out or even kicked us out, but we had another opportunity and this we recovered our losses and made a very good profit. So now we had another chance here. You can see here another chance here. This was a very good catch. 15 pips, which is the $3 over here, and look, we made a massive 56 pips. That is a very good and a very nice profit. This is 2nd of January. This is easier. So This strategy is very, very, very profitable, and you can give it a try to learn this from me. You can see not like every time uh it's not 100% strategy, but the winning rate is 90. I can say it's 90%. It's 90% because your risk is calculated. It's calculated. You can see our stop loss got 8 here. Our stop loss got 8 here, but we eventually have another opportunity. Look at this massive opportunity. Our stop loss got hit at this point, and let's say you took another opportunity here, you were kicked out again, but we had another opportunity here, and look at what happened. Price came all the way down to it take profits. So this was also a very nice trade. So if you want to learn this trading technique on crash 500, you can always hit my DM, my link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp account is below this video, so you can hit it up. Thank you.